Hey Dan, what you got there?
It's magic.
Magic.
Yeah, we got the magic yeast. We finally got our hands on it.
Kveik.
The Kveik yeast. And why is it special, Phil?
Magic special, because it's going to be hot. And we've always wanted to do one of these since last year, Dan.
Yep.
Because the temperature, that little yeast can go up to
40 degrees.
But what are the issues with the Kveik yeast? Dan, have we got any problems that we might have to overcome later?
We think is the yeast works so quickly and it flocculates to the bottom. It might use up all the yeast when we try to bottle carbonate, bottle condition it. A few different strategies we're thinking of.
The first one is going to be
bottle condition, as we do normally.
Normal. The second one's going to be
forced carbonation with CO2.
So we'll see which is best, and we'll let you know. If anyone's wondering how you say it, it's Kveik.
Kveik.
Tomatoes.
Let's give it a go then.
In the brew, we're going to brew this Kveik using a house pale ale recipe. Jon Finch again, but we slightly tweaked it because we had carapils instead of caramel, and I wanted to get a bit of colour in there. So there is going to be 4,205 grams of Marisosa, 500 grams of carapils, and 137 grams of Caramunic malt.
Okay, off the top of my head, is that about 5% ABV? It's less than 5%.
Oh, yeah. ABV. This one is 0.5 to 1 gram per litre, and it's an 11 gram packet. So it's maximum 22 litres, 23 we can get away with, I think.
I think the other thing about that yeast is it normally works very quickly, and it's probably over and done with between 3 and 4 days.
We'll have a look at how fast it goes. Yeah. People like a bit of yeast action.
Fermentation.
Hops.
Yes.
Hops we're going.
Oh, get excited talking about hops.
So we've got Northern Brewer, 24 grams at the start of the boil. 15 minutes in, we've got 24 grams of Cascade, and then another Cascade at 10 minutes to go. And at flame out, a massive 61 grams. So we should get a nice hoppy flavour. Smell at the start of the taste. Yeah. So looking forward to this one.
Let's go for it. Cheers, Phil.
Cheers, Dan. About time we did a recirculation, I think. Right, Dan, what's happening?
Time to raise the grains, Phil.
Raising of the grains?
Yes.
It's your turn to pull.
We're on turbo.
Turbo on.
So we knock it under it. And we've got some boiling water waiting just to put on top.
No, we will have. Sparging, ready?
Oh.
Aim.
Oh.
Mind the electric stuff.
Yeah. How many litres in here, Phil?
Yeah, be on. All right, I would think.
We'll leave a little bit.
Quick peek, Dan. Quick peek in the.
It's gone.
It's gone already.
Should I add some more? Okay, take 2.
See how much we got.
Leave it drip out, and we'll see how much we got.
Another beer.
I'll have another beer.
Clarity on that. Look at that. It smells good.
Yeah.
This was the yeast though. This was the liquid yeast, the smack
Do you actually want to drink it? I would just have to put my nose very close to it.
Don't drink it through your nose.
Yeah.
That's a champion pint, that is. Anybody watching this and it's not all grain brewing yet, just do it. This is better than you get from the supermarket.
If they sold that in a supermarket, you could be in a stampede there.
Okay, Dan, what are we doing?
We're boiling, Phil.
Get it off.
Get it off.
Get it off.
I think we need to add the hops more than that.
First hop addition, 24 grams of Northern Brewer.
It's a British Britain hop brew as well. And Cascade is not a British Britain hop, is it?
Is it not?
No, it's American from the Fugel family.
From the Fugel family, Dan is a wealth of knowledge.
Rolling boil?
Lovely rolling boil.
Okay.
Yeah, a boil that just keeps on going. Recorded with a...
What?
Oh no, that's all right, that's the right one. I thought you were on the big one then. Okay, sorry, panic over, don't panic.
I thought I was missing the sack.
Look at that.
Be careful not to drip.
Okay, no dripping over here, Dan.
Yeah,
not like last time.
Yeah, don't burn your sack.
Here we go. Right, here we go. See you in a minute. Okay, so what are we doing?
I'm holding the sack. I'm holding your sack.
Have you got the hops?
The hops at the side.
Hops in the sack. Okay, here we go. Big pour. Oh, that's a big gaping opening there.
It is, yeah.
I didn't think you should try that hard, mate.
You need to put the ring in, and you need to put the tablets in.
Now, caps are off. Is that going inside the ring?
Okay, this is
easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
Protofloc. Are you done? Do the honours?
Okay.
It's the baddest thing.
Ooh,
there we go. Look at that. Look at that.
Science. It's like chemicals.
It's not good, is it? It's not good to smell.
Oh, I'm steaming up. I'm steaming. The clarity of the beer afterwards is much
awesome.
better using this, yeah.
We would say go for Protofloc.
Yeah.
First things first, the last hop edition, how many grams, Dan?
64.
Look at that! Look
Back
at
of the net.
that.
So this is flame out, by the way, so that means...
Power off. We're putting the lid on to stop the nasties. Right in there, that should give us a nice... Why do we put so many hops in at this point, Dan?
Because we add in some aroma and taste.
Zero bittering from those hops.
Yeah.
Just aroma. Let's cool it down, Dan.
Have we got the pipe?
One
Come
hit.
on, Popeye.
Clear the way. That is boiling. It's like a boiling thing.
Which is the bottom, Phil? That's the bottom.
Bottom yet? Ah!
I'll let you do that one.
Thank you, Dan. Okay, here we go.
We shoot a lot to start with, and then you decrease it as the temperature goes down.
When you're putting the cold in, make sure the cold goes right to the bottom and then back up.
Phil, don't get carried away, son. You know what we have to do?
But
We have to hydrate the yeast.
same as usual at my place. Sodium percarbonate in here. Give it a little swoosh.
And if you're watching this for the first time, you think it's a bit weird that we are Phil.
Careful with your chemicals. Last time it got me in the eye. So this sanitisation is no rinse.
It's got a smell in it.
It's funky little micro.
We're having these bad boys. This is hot.
Here's another tip for you guys. I'm going to save this sanitisation fluid because it's also a really good cleaning fluid. So after we've emptied the kettle, we're going to use that. We're going to put it back in the kettle, leave it overnight, and any burn spots that are on the bottom, in the morning, aim.
What? Tag. Oh! Jackpot.
Jackpot.
We cut this part because it's boring.
Okay, so refractometer time.
It says 5.2 ABV, original gravity 1049.
Holy moly. Check that out, my friend.
1025.
I'm pleased.
Yeah.
Cracking job this is, mate. The old yeast pitch. Okay, do we need to stir again or?
No, it's fine.
Fine. In we go.
So could it be magic? We'll find out probably in about 12 hours time.
The fermentation was quick. It was over in 3 to 4 days tops. Have a look at this. We're 9 hours into fermentation now, and this Kveik yeast is going like a train. Really glad we chose the Kveik because temperatures did top out at about 29 degrees in the shade of the house and into the 30s in the garden. So we carbonated this beer in 2 ways. The first way was to bottle condition, but the second way, which we haven't done before, was to put it in the fridge with the regulator cranked up to about 20 psi. Left it there for about 3 days. And here's what we thought of the brews. With sugar added.
And bottle carbonated.
Bottle condition.
Yeah. So it's got a head in it. It looks like the yeast has done some work there, hasn't it?
Oh, it's tasty.
Tasty, it's just strong. It feels to 5 to 6% beer. I can't remember what percentage we were.
It came out about...
Not bad tasting beer.
But there's carbonation in it, that's the
There's
thing.
carbonation, there's head on it.
So you can carbonate Kveik yeast at shed temperatures in the summer. So what would you score that?
I would score that as a 6.5.
6.5. Oh, Dan doesn't like this one.
Yeah, 6.5 for me.
Let's see what he thinks of the chilled down keg one.
The chilled version.
Without the sugar.
Mini keg.
The mini keg, well, this has been carbonated at 4 degrees.
Yeah, in your
at
fridge.
20 psi. You got to turn him on, and then here we go.
Cheers. Not bad for an ice cream. No, yours is better than mine. Look at that one. I had all the froth. Look at my ice cream.
Can I have some of your froth?
There you are. I can sell you some of my froth. I've got a spoon. Okay.
Look at that head on there. It's lovely.
That's the head on
The bubbles. Look at the bubbles. The difference in the bubbles.
It's smoother. Tastes exactly the same. It might be slightly fruitier. I think it's smoother and it's not as harsh as the first one we had.
They're not as harsh.
Yeah.
I think the main thing is, can we carbonate this beer in the fridge using that mini keg setup with the CO2? Is it carbonated?
Yeah, it's carbonated.
Yeah.
Good old head on that boy.
So, as you saw from the video, the original gravity was 1.049. We hit that spot on as the book recommended, and the final gravity was a 1.002, giving us a whopping 6.1% ABV. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time when Dan and I should be doing a video of his homegrown hops.